Hello, friend. Before the day pulls you in 100 directions, let's take this moment together. Close your eyes or soften your gaze and take a slow, deep breath. Breathe in, hold it gently, and release. Again, breathe in and let it go. There's a beautiful reminder in Genesis. The divine breathed life into humanity. Every breath you take is a gift, a reminder that you are alive, loved, and held by the one who made you. The Psalms tell us, "Be still and know that I am God." In this moment, that's all you need to do. Be still, breathe, know you are held. Maybe you woke up anxious. Maybe your mind is already racing through your to-do list, replaying yesterday's mistakes, or worrying about what's ahead. That's okay. You're human. But right now, in this sacred pause, you can let that weight down. Jesus said, "Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." This is your invitation, right here, right now, to rest in His presence. Just for these few minutes, you don't have to fix anything. You don't have to be anywhere else. You can simply be. Let's breathe together and set an intention for this day. Say with me, I release what I cannot control. I trust God with this day. Once more, I release what I cannot control. I trust God with this day. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine releasing any tension you're holding. In your shoulders, your jaw, your chest, let it go. Give it to God. Here's what I want you to know. Today, you will encounter people who need your kindness. You will face choices that reveal your character. You will have moments of doubt and moments of clarity. God isn't asking you to be perfect. He's inviting you to be present, to love well, to trust Him in the small things and the big things alike. Whatever happened yesterday stays there. Whatever might happen tomorrow isn't here yet. All you have is this breath, this moment, this day, and in God's hands, that is enough. As we close, place one hand on your heart. Feel it beating. That rhythm is God's life moving through you. Take one more deep breath with me. Breathe in God's peace. Exhale worry. Breathe in trust. Exhale fear. Breathe in love. Exhale doubt. May you walk through today with courage and grace, knowing you are never alone. May God's presence fill the spaces where anxiety tries to creep in. May you remember to breathe and begin again in His love whenever you need to. Go gently, my friend. Amen.